Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Crown Tech Digital Class. Now, in today's class, I'll be teaching you how you can design a news blog or entertainment blog. We know anything that we call blog is a website that we run every day, that we need to be posting every day. Maybe news, any kind of blog. We have a lot of blog. We have news blog, we have music blog, we have tech blog, we have a lot of blogging sites. You understand? So blog has to do with posting every day, time to time. Now, how can we create a website like that? Now, first thing we need to do is what? We need a teams that can work properly with that kind of blog. Now, I'm going to walk us around. We are going to design a blog, an entertainment blog or news blog. Now, let's click on this dashboard. Now, when we click on it, let's go to appearance, then click on themes. Now, when we click on themes, just click on add new. Let's click on add new. Let's wait for it. So we need to add a new template for it. But if you don't like any of the templates that you're having in this WordPress dashboard, you know how to get any template. Maybe you have a website you like, a blog you like, and you like the template, just go to what WP theme is this. Then you look for the themes, then download it at WP Local, then you know how to install it from the back end. Now let's just wait for it to load, and now you can see that it has come up. So let's search for our theme. Maybe you click on latest or favorite. Now popular. Now anyone you choose, you are going to see a lot of theme. Now let's click on feature filter, this one here. When we click on it, we click on what? Blog, then apply filter. Now it's going to look for all templates relating to blog. It's going to look for all templates. Can you see? So these are templates relating to blog. So you now choose the one you want. You choose the one you want. So let them come up and you see for yourself. And if you are not getting any result, just come to the search button here. Click on blog, then search for it. Search for blog, blog. Then let's see what result is giving us. Now they are going to show us template relating to blog here. Can you see? You have blog stream, you have all this, you have. Let's just choose this one. Let's choose this one. Then we install. So anyone you choose, click on it, click on install, then it will install. It's installing now. Then activate, you activate it. Can you see? Can you see? It has been successfully installed. It has been activated. Now let's go to our site. Let's come here. Go to our site, www.crowntech.com.ng. Now we'll see the look of things. We'll see that it has changed. .com.ng. Can you see? So these are what? These are our blog. Now these are the widgets we have in recent posts, recent comments. Now we have the menu. The menu bar is not here. So we are going to what? We are going to go back and customize our website to set it so the way we want it to be. Now let's just go back. Now we come to this place. Go to customize. So this is where you are going to customize your website. This is where you are going to customize your website. You are going to add menu, you are going to add themes. Now can you see? Now this is site identity. Click on it. If you want to add logo, it will ask you to select the logo you want to add. The site title, my blog. So we want to change this from the site title. You can say Crown Tech Communication. Then tagline are just like, let's say, motto or anything that will be under the site title. Let's say communication best communication company. Can you see? So this is a tagline. Then it will ask you for the logo you want to use. Click on this and select logo. And it ask you to upload file. Let's select from our from our gallery. Now let's click on this. Then we select the logo we want to use. So let's all follow that process to set up to set up a blog. Now let's go to recent. Let's go to recent. Then we'll click on our logo, the one we want to use. So this is my logo, the one I want to use. Now it will load my logo. So let's wait for it. So if you are doing something like you need a good internet connection so that it will be very fast and it won't frustrate you. So it remains little time for it to come up. Let's just wait for it. Now let's click on it and then select it. Let's click on it. Then we click on select. So it will ask you if you want to crop your image or not. If you don't want to crop, it does not come up. Now can you see it will ask you if you want to skip. You can just tell them skip cropping. You don't need to skip it. Now this is our logo. Now what else do we need? Our site icon. Now what's the site icon? Now site icon is anything that show on your site, like this place. Now this place that we are having, let me show you. This is what we call site icon. So anything you post there is what is going to be your site icon. So that is what we call our site icon. So you can just put our logo there, the same logo. Let's select it and put it. Let's select. Then what is okay like this. Then crop image. So what can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? It has changed automatically. Now click on publish. It will publish. Then it has been published. Just go back, change the color. Let's change the color here. If you don't need to change the color, you can just leave it. The background color is the background. We all know what background means. Then the header text, that is the text in the head part of your website. You don't need all that. Image, header image, you don't need it. Background image, no need for that, except you want to add any image to the background, then you can put it. Menus. Now this is where we are going. We don't have any menu. Now we create new menu. Click on create new menu. Now where do you want the menu to be? We have three parts. We have the mobile menu, we have the header, and we have the footer. The header is the menu will be at the top. The footer is when the menu will be at the down, while the mobile is just a mobile menu. Shey you understand? It will not be at the header, it will not be at the footer, but just be where a normal menu should be. You see in some website that we visit, it always has like three stroke at the up. So that's what we call mobile menu. Now you can click. Let's choose mobile menu. Now what's the our menu name? Crown Tech. No, let's just put menu. Now click on what? Click on next. Now it will tell us to what? Hide add items, and we need to add item to our menu. Now it has created the menu, which is the mobile menu. Now add item. Now it will tell you what to add item. Now do you see what the page we only have 2 page. We don't have any post, we do not have anything. Now let's just click on what custom link. If you want to add any page, click on page. If you want to add anything, just what click on it. Now for now we don't have what we don't have any page, so we need to what go and create page. And for category is when you are having, let's say you have a blog, and under the blog you have music section, you have entertainment section, you have sports section, you have news. So all those one are what are category. Now we want to add using our categories. Now let's click on categories. So we don't have any categories here. Can you see we don't have any categories here? So let's use custom link. Let's use page. We have 1 page. Now let's add this. We have added this. Now let's publish. Now we are still going to come back to what to add the menu. I just want to show you how the menu is going to appear. So let it publish. Now let's what else before we check it. So we have added our home page to our menu. Now let's go back. Because we have not created any categories, that's why we cannot add any category. So we are going to create category and add it to our menu. Widget. So this is the first one. We have search button. If you don't want to add search, you can remove it, and if you want to add it, leave it. The second block, we have recent post. Can you see? If you want to leave it, just leave it. Done. Then the last one is recent comment. We don't need the recent comment. Click on remove. Can you see? Then publish. Come to this place, then go back. Home page setting. Now I told you that a blog is a website whereby you post every day. Now in this home page setting, you have what the latest post and a static page. Now what you need to choose is what your latest post. That means your website will be displaying any latest post you have. It will not be a static website. A static website is when you have a permanent page for that landing page of your website. That means if you go to crowntech.com.ng, is a particular page that it will be taking you to all the time. But if you click on your latest post, any latest post you are putting is going to be showing all the time. So it has been set for us. Let's go back. Then we don't need anything again since everything has been set. Let's this cancel. We click on it. Everything has been published. Now you click on this. I see. Now let me click on it. So everything has been saved. Now let's go to our website and see. Can you see it has changed immediately? Now let's go to our website and see for ourselves. Now let's refresh it. Can you see what I'm saying? This is the mobile menu I'm talking about. Can you see? This is the mobile menu I'm talking about. Now we have added the mobile menu. When we click on it, it will what give us home, because it's only home we have added. Now let's go and add other menu. Now you now list the category you want to be working on your blog. Maybe you are creating a news blog. Now your news want to cut across educational news, sport news, entertainment news, lifestyles. Shey you understand? So those are the categories you need to add. Now for the pages, you need about us page, contact us page, and other things you think you can put on your on your blog. Then you add it to it. Now let's go back and do that. Now we are going to continue that in our next video, and I'll show you how you can post. You can add posts to your blog. Thank you.